Hey, Mark. I got your email. It's hardly fair. You and Ace get to attack the Carnival of Doom. All I get to attack is my maths homework. I hope you and Ace know what you're doing. Hey, what if you get Lord Fear's amulet? Maybe you'll become a superhero too.
I don't want to be a superhero. My life's already been turned upside down.
Steady.
I just want to get the amulet and win this thing.
Got it!
Then you go, kid.
We got the munchies!
I'll take that.
No!
Yes!
Hold your ground, kid. Cover my back.
And I'll take your front! They've got the amulet!
Mark, what are you doing?
Trying to stay alive.
Later, Lightning! Thanks for the necklace!
You miserable glove puppets. I'll make mittens out of you. I'll be back.
Hey, you! Over here! Did you get it?
Piece of cake!
Piece of cake! Oh, you stupid puppet! I don't want cake! I want the amulet!
You want it? You got it!
Oh, whoa!
Check it out, Zip! An amulet on an idiot!
I've got the amulet! Me! Me! I've got the amulet!
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Dateline, Conestoga Hills Middle School cafeteria. For most students, just another day as they run out the clock until the freedom of Friday afternoon. But look closer. In this seething crowd, one young man has a higher destiny, a role to play on the glittering stage of human achievement. But who is this golden boy?
Chuck, what's with the camera?
Mr. Chesbrough said I should keep a record of my project for the computer competition. And if I win, I get to spend the summer at computer camp. How sweet is that?
So, Mr. Director, did you get a chance to think about the question I asked you on the game?
You're covered, dude. Until Lord Fear gets all the pieces of the amulet, the game goes on. But I've never heard of the rat getting a piece of the amulet.
Yeah, well, it happened on my game. I just wish I knew what happened next.
Chucky, 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 have I got a special treat for you?
You spoil me, Mrs. Cutcher, you know that.
It's not the only thing she spoils.
Ta-da!
Wow. It looks just like a brain.
It's in honor of our Chucky being the only student with the brains to get into the Tri-County Science Competition.
You shouldn't have, Mrs. Cutcher.
No, you really shouldn't have.
Oh, I stayed up half the night just to make sure that it looked like a real brain. Here, some plates so you can share it with your friends.
How thoughtful.
Oh, and the little cherry inside, that's the pituitary gland.
Thank you, Mrs. Cutcher. Sweet, sweet brain.
Oh, I could listen to you playing all day, my lord. It's music to my ears.
Yoink!
You got rhythm, my lord.
Yeah, and I've got the amulet.
The air is crackling with excitement as we await the first demonstration of my top secret science project. Mr. Chesbrough is about to address the crowd. Let's join him.
Tomorrow will be a big day for me and our school. As you know, the judges from the Tri-County Science Competition will be visiting our hallowed halls to view our submission. The entire reputation of me and our school rests with one pupil, this one here. Mr. Chuck Mughal. You.
Ladies, gentlemen, prepare to meet the robot of doom, Leviathan XL1!
Bravo, Mr. Mughal. A triumph. Triumph of engineering. Couldn't have done it without me.
Uh-oh. Something's wrong. Ooh! Sorry. I don't.
What? Easy, Leviathan XL. One. Good, robot. That's a boy. Turn this piece of junk off, will ya? Aerialistic moron!
Can you give a robot detention?
I don't know, but you got admired style.
It's gonna be great.
If Lord Fear finds out about this, we're dog meat.
Oh, relax, Duffy. Just think how surprised that bonehead is gonna be when I put these two pieces of the amulet together for him.
I don't know, Mr. Rat. I don't think Lord Fear likes surprises.
Oh, just shut up and watch.
And what's it supposed to do?
Well, you see, well, beats me. Wow!
Pull!
Sorry about yesterday, Ace. I don't know what happened. I guess I must have just freaked or something.
I'm not worried. I know you'll be there when it counts. The important thing is to get our piece of the amulet back. What?
Hey, Lightning! Guess who?
You've got a lot of nerve, Rat.
Oh, that's not all I've got. Meet my new buddy, Random Virus.
Random Virus? But how? Whoa, old friend. We're the good guys, remember?
I remember nothing. I only destroy weakness, goodness, virtue, wherever I find it. Therefore, if you are good, I must destroy you.
You're a lightning knight. There's evil inside you, but there's also goodness.
No! I despised my good side. Goodness is weak, kindness is soft. I am strong.
You don't leave me any choice.
Hooray! Way to go, Virus!
Kid, get the lightning lance. Hurry!
Oh, such a pathetic duo.
Ace, not so lightning.
Random, listen to me. You saved me once.
No! Saved you? When? I'm trying to remember.
Lord Fear had drained my power in the 6th dimension. He was about to shoot me with his staff.
And I diverted the energy flow so that he shot himself instead, yes. I do remember. But what am I doing here? I don't want to hurt you. I can't stay any longer.
No, Random, wait!
I have to leave, my friend. Before my evil side returns and I do something that I'd regret for all eternity.
Wait.
Oh, that is just great. Now I gotta go find him and hang around until he turns evil again. Thanks for nothing. Hey, Random, wait up!
Looks like I messed up again. I'm sorry, Ace. I feel like a real coward.
Here goes. Test number 38A. Motherboard, number 8. Here goes nothing.
Hey, Einstein. Nice going.
Let it go, Wayne. It's just a glitch in the CPU, that's all. Go ahead and laugh. Just remember, they laughed at the Wright brothers, and they laughed at Edison, too.
Get off it, Upchuck. This robot is a pile of junk. And you can kiss computer camp goodbye.
Junk.
What's wrong with him?
He's in some kind of a trance or something. He'll snap out of it, and when he does, he'll be evil again. Another mortal. Duff, check it out. Well, come on.
Duff, do this. Duff, do that. Lord Fear's bad enough. Now I'm taking orders from a rat.
No. 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 Whoa! Mega chip! My lethal killer robot's gonna be death on wheels. Whew.
Yoo-hoo! So what was it?
Just some weird kid talking to himself. And collecting parts for his killer robot.
Huh? A killer robot? Oh, I would give anything for a killer robot!
So why don't you ask him? Maybe he'll lend it to you.
We don't ask, you moron. We take. Well, come on. Careful, careful. Careful. Watch it. Careful.
I still don't get it, Rat. What's Lord Fear gonna want with this robot?
Forget about Fear. I've got my own plans for this killing machine. Once we hook it up to random virus, it'll be 100 times more powerful. Ace Lightning won't stand a chance. Oh, come on. Come on, come on.
I could have used a little help.
Gotta use a little help. Drive the truck.
Something wrong?
Sorry, Samantha, I just can't concentrate.
Well, is your pizza soggy?
No. Well, yeah, but that's not the problem.
Well, if you tell me what's wrong, maybe I can help.
It's very complicated.
Well, try me.
All right. There's this guy. He's kind of my friend. He needed my help, and I let him down.
That doesn't sound like you.
I got scared. I did a runner.
What's a runner?
Oh, it means I ran away, and...
Mark, you gotta help me. You gotta help me. It's a total disaster.
Whoa, Chuck, what's happened?
Leviathan XL1's gone.
But the judges are coming in 2 hours.
I know. I'm ruined.
Chuck, who'd want to take your robot?
I think it was that guy from the carnival.
What?
Yeah. I saw his ice cream truck parked out by the school. And now, Leviathan XL1's gone.
Chuck, get a grip on yourself. Here, eat this. Don't worry, Chuck. I'm gonna get your robot back.
Go on, Duff. Such a very interesting tale you are telling.
Well, you see, your lordship, I says to myself, what Rat's doing, well, that ain't right. And using random virus, well, that ain't right either. And to top it off, he kept the kid's piece of the amulet. I couldn't live with myself.
You've done well, Duff. Made the right decision, spilling your guts to me. My coffin's always open. Now get the truck ready, imbecile!
I get the truck. I'm gonna get the truck.
Well...
Not so fast, Rat.
Huh? Oh, don't worry. It's just a little lightning night.
I've come to get my friend's robot.
Your friend's robot? I don't think so. Virus. This one's a coward. And you know how we feel about cowards.
Run, coward, so I can annihilate you.
I'm not leaving till I get the robot.
Go on. What are you waiting for? Pluck the chicken.
He is afraid, but he is not a coward.
You can say that again. 1 against 3. That takes guts, kid. You mind if I join the party?
Be my guest.
Random's protecting that robot with some kind of energy shield. I can't get through it.
Your power's low, do-gooder. Prepare to meet the fate of all weaklings who cross my path.
Our Lord Fear's gonna love me. This rat's gonna be the big cheese. Say hello to King Rat.
You look more like a jester than a king.
LF, wait till you see what I've been up to. Boy, have I been busy serving you. Oh, yeah.
Shut up. Just hand me the amulet, Rat. Both pieces. Then I'll finish what you started.
Yeah, sure, boss. Here's your piece, safe and sound. And Ace Lightning's piece is well, it's, hang on, I got it here somewhere. Oh.
Is this what you're looking for?
You idiot.
Oh, sorry, boss. I must have dropped it in all the confusion. But there's still more of us than there are of them. Virus, get the good guys.
Silence! You cringing, sniveling coward. I see now that you are the frightened weakling, not them. And for that, you must be punished.
I think we've worn out our welcome, my lord. If you get my drift.
Yes. Ace Lightning. Perhaps another time when the odds are a bit more favorable. Adieu.
Nice work, kid. You stood your ground against random virus. That robot must be pretty important.
It is, to a friend of mine.
You better get going. Don't want to keep your friend waiting.
Thanks. Oh, wait, what about Random Virus?
I'll take care of Random. He's an old friend who needs some help. But I guess you know all about helping friends, don't you?
Yeah, I'm learning. Okay.
So another robot Chuck decided not to build was called the biped. Earlier sketches of the biped sort of looked like this. It had a wheel over here.
Fascinating stuff, eh?
And then there's like these wires coming out of its head, and they're all connected to the body. And then there's this switch over here.
Here it is.
Finally. Better late than never, ladies and gentlemen. May I present Chuck Muggle's Leviathan XL1.
We could be a team again, like we were in the 6th dimension.
How can you trust me if I can't trust myself?
Because you're my friend.
Today. But I don't want to find out what I could be tomorrow.
Tomorrow, you'll still be my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? People, settle down. Quiet! Mr. Muggle, front and center. Fortunately, a new dawn of excellence has begun, thanks to my teaching and the fine efforts of one star student. Gentlemen, I give you Mr. Chuck Mughal.
That was really great what you did for Chuck.
Any friend would have done the same.
No, not just any friend. You're a real friend. And you know, to him, you're always going to be a hero.
Pete, today's been amazing. I just got so angry about what was happening to Chuck. I completely forgot about being scared. I even stood up to Random Virus. And you know what? I feel like a different person. Taller, prouder. Yeah, okay, I know. Sounds stupid. But I guess that's why we get on. Mates to the end.